I think also counties across over the board should be able to have, and I want to repeat again, experienced people who have worked within and also outside the country to come over so that we can be able to attract. And going forward, again, when I come in, I'll make sure that I attract not people who are also within, people who have worked in private sector, people who have worked in the civil service, who have a kind of experience, and also people who have a lot of exposures, especially the international exposure. These are the people. Because in order for us to work, we need people from the national county, so you need to understand how the government works. You need to understand how the international donors actually, how the development partners actually, what they want in terms before you can be able to propose a project. So these are the issues probably which you'll be looking at. I think at this point in time, it's wrong to think that some people are cut off. I mean, you are pushing people to national, and then you have a humble space. Well, there are a lot of challenges within in the county. So I think, and then I don't buy that idea where people are earmarked to do the national, and you don't want them to come and disturb your space here. I think that is not the way. Let people decide, and that is a fact. Let people of Bomet decide. And when they decide based on your policies, I think they should be able to pick the candidate. Don't fear, don't try to push the other people out. We want all of us to be able to contribute. And especially towards later years, you want to contribute to your county, you want to see to give to the best within the community and also on the other hand, we'll be also harnessing the kind of skills, the kind of inputs within all the key stakeholders. And you should be able to realize that we have professionals who are holding higher position in various counties, actually, from this county of Bomet. And I want to put it across, maybe the key managers in health center, in other counties. Those are the people we really need to harness their kind of potential, their kind of advisory kind of services in this county. So we'll be actually calling in the people from private sector, people who have really worked hard and have a lot of experience within the civil service, and all people working life where you can be able to contribute. Will give you an opportunity where you can be able to contribute and feel proud of this Bomet County, so that as we move forward, people know who was the PS for infrastructure. I think the very best for this country, and I thank the President actually for giving me that opportunity, which I did my very best. And people, whenever I go to Bomet, whenever I go to Mombasa, whenever I go to Pokot, whenever I go to Northeastern, I think people still remember the work I did. And I say thank you very much, Kenyans. I gave it my very best. And of course, time goes. I think it's high time now I come to the county and do my best. Thank you.